Valentine's Day has got me feeling like this. Honestly, love expert with Goldie. Are you a hacker? Because you hacked your way into my heart. Are you from Tennessee? Because you're only 10 I see. You want to tell me some pickup lines? Are you a unicorn? Because I'm Uni the corn. It's like, Uni, that is not a pickup line. Okay. Okay. This is black magic. You're like holding a human heart, but it's a tomato. X-Files music play. Okay, sorry. But yeah, seriously, that's weird. That's a lot of love. Or ketchup. May or may not have just crushed Uni, but that's okay. She's all right. Double glassing it. Yeah. Okay, I'll stop. I just dabbed with a heart. It was half a heart.
I don't have a Valentine, but I have candy. Yeah. I feel lightheaded, but that's okay.
Are you 50 yet? I mean, if you go to Costco and get the ginormous bottle, you're probably like, no, Goldie, that's not way it works. Costco is my favorite store because everything's in bulk. I love a good deal, a good sale, you know what I'm saying? But this is organic because we're fancy here. I'm so done with this song. Till next time, hackers.
Yeah, okay. Bye, hackers.